Hello guys, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Sir Mio's Garden. Sir Mio Vlogs is here. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Kalanchoe delagoensis, formerly known as Bryophyllum delagoense and commonly called motherofmillions or chandelier plant, is a succulent plant native to Madagascar. Like other members of Bryophyllum, now included in Kalanchoe, it is able to propagate vegetably from plantlets that develop on its leaf margins. Motherofmillions is a drought-hardy succulent garden plant. It rapidly produces tiny plantlets that quickly form new colonies, just like what you're seeing right now. It is adapted to dry conditions and can survive long periods of drought. This increases the plant's potential to persist and spread. The common name motherofmillions is based on the plant's ability to reproduce vegetably in large numbers. Each plant produces small plantlets along the edges of its leaves, which detach and form new plants. This makes motherofmillions hard to eradicate, and follow-up controls are very necessary. Motherofmillions also produces numerous seeds which can survive in the soil for a number of years before germinating. Motherofmillions belongs to the genus Bryophyllum. Motherofmillions is a succulent perennial plant growing 30 centimeters to 1 meter in height. The stems are pinkish brown or grayish in color. The leaves are pencil-shaped, pale green to pale brown in color, with dark green patches and a shallow groove on the upper surface. There are up to 7 projections at the tip of each leaf, which when broken off can develop into new plants. The flowers are orange-red in color and occur in a cluster at the top of a single stem. Flowering of this plant can occur from May to October. Waxy with a rubber or plastic appearance, mottled with violet-brown leopard spots and filled with plantlets. The leaves ray out in a snowflake shape from an upright central stem, just like this. Plantlets fall into the dirt and grow from there. What I really love about this plant is that they grow everywhere. They don't need dirt. They grow among the spines of cacti, in orchid bark, between the leaves of bromeliads, in leaf litter on a cement patio, as well as in every pot within 15 meters of the mother plant. What an amazing plant indeed. This plant gets a lot of attention from visitors for its architectural accents, its willingness to grow nearly anywhere.